Thank you for your overwhelming support during what has been clearly the most darkest of times. You've literally come out in your thousands in all weathers to help our service, and for that we will be forever grateful. But more importantly, so will the recipients and patients throughout Wales for your life-saving donations. I also want to thank everyone who has supported us in different ways, such as sharing their messages on social media and encouraging friends and families to come out and sign up for our service. Again, new donors are coming, they're thousands to our service, and again that contribution is equally as important. We continue to need the support of new and existing donors, both now, throughout the Christmas and winter period, and further on into 2021. So please do something amazing today. Please support the Welsh Blood Service and give someone the gift of life. I'd like to wish you, your families, your friends and all our communities a Merry Christmas and a prosperous and happy New Year. Thank you.